It's nice to see you again, mga bossing. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this time, we're going to unbox another cool anime figure from Demon Slayer. Look at that. This is the Grandista Hashibira Inosuke. This is really cool figure. And I'm too excited to unbox this. So let's go, mga bossing. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so once again, we're back and we're got another cool toys to unbox. And this one is the Grandista version of Demon Slayer Hashibira Inosuke. As you can see here, they already said the actual size, color, decoration may vary. So hopefully this size. He got it at this. Of course not this one. So the actual size, I don't know why they keep warning the size. Maybe there's a lot of people complaining about the size of the Grandista. Okay, everything's looking good. So let's unbox. Okay, there we go. One more here and here. We're ready to go. Okay, so another bit of information here. Sculptor Watanabe and Ren. So the painter Tsumofumi, known as Watanabe. Assistant painter Ayako, graphics design Kanai Ito, photographer Gyumi Sukami. I think they use it on the box. So everything's looking here and credited here. That's cool. Okay, so I think if you're really gonna be really into that, you can follow them, right? And you can find really who's the really good sculptor of anime figure. Okay, just some extra packaging there, some support. Okay, nothing much. Okay. Oh yes, look at the size of that. Nice, really a Grandista. Wow, this is really heavy. So this is not like the other Banpresto figure that you need to connect the torso to the legs, or the upper part to the lower part of the body. So this one is already built in. And so yeah, I believe this is like an American release. There's a lot of warning or cautions. Okay, so let's take it up. Okay, so like it's over. Take out this stand. It's not a solid, it's hollow inside. So far looking good. Okay, Okay. So I just noticed the material of Grandista. Okay, to be honest, it's like my first Grandista figure. It's like a not so good kind of plastic compared to other Banpresto product that I unboxed. But so far it looks good. And the main body, okay, nice, really good. The way I can say on the color of the body, looks like one of those anime figure you can buy in Temu. So far looking good. It's really hard. I can twist a bit of this one, but it's really nice sculpted. It's really good, really nice. Okay, so let's see the head. So there's no really action pose on this one. It is totally nice design or sculpt. I like it. It's really nice. I hope they offer like an extra set, I mean like an extra head without this helmet or mask that she's wearing. But really, really nice. So if I put it on, oh, look at that. That's really badass. Really nice looking figure. I like it. It's really nice. Okay, so if we can put the sword, actually there's no sword. Just a shit. What happened to the sword? Okay, I think, yeah, this is the right place to put it on. So it's a really nice figure, but too bad the sword is not included, right? Because there's nothing here, unless it's really designed like this. But looks like it, but I'm not too sure. I don't know, maybe I missed some information here, but I guess not. I don't know. Look like there's a connection here, but I'm not looking too much detail of their sword in the anime. I guess that's why I'm not too sure. But overall, it's looking good. It's really bad looking figure. Really nice sculpt. Okay, so I put the stand here. There you go. Alright, this is how you're gonna sit. It's really cool. Look how badass. Let's see the height of this guy. Okay, so measure it. This stand 10 inches high. What a figure, right? That's 10 inches. Really nice looking. Okay, so there you go, guys. Again, we unboxed another cool toys from Banpresto. Grandista Demon Slayer Inosuke. Once again, thank you guys for watching. So, not a subscriber yet, please smash the subscribe buttons now, and if you can do the bell icon, that will be great. And if you have any requests or any suggestion or any comments, good or bad, just let me know. Just comment down below, and I will do my best the next time. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.